The Battle Within, Mastering Character Strengths. Every war you fight begins long before the world sees it. The real enemy doesn't live outside. It whispers doubt, feeds fear, and grows in silence. But hidden inside you are weapons older than fear itself. They are called character strengths. 6 domains, 20+ forces, 1 battle within. It's the light that cuts through ignorance. Number 1 is wisdom. It is not intelligence, it is clarity. When chaos demands confusion, creativity is choosing a new path. When the old one traps you, curiosity is asking why. When others obey, judgment is pausing instead of reacting. Love for knowledge is sharpening your sword every single day. Perspective is seeing the whole battlefield, not just your wound. Wisdom doesn't shout, it observes and waits. It's the refusal to retreat. Number 2 is courage. It is not the absence of fear. It is moving forward, despite it. Bravery is speaking, when silence is safer. Perseverance is standing up, again and again. Honesty is telling the truth, even when it costs you. Zest is showing up fully when life tries to drain you. Courage is the moment you say, "I will not disappear." It's the strength expressed as connection. Number 3 is humanity. It is power, softened by compassion. Love is choosing to care, despite past betrayal. Kindness is giving when no one is watching. Social intelligence is reading the room and the soul. This is how heroes heal others without losing themselves. It's standing tall in a crooked world. Number 4 is justice. Is the strength that serves something larger than ego. Teamwork is moving together, not alone. Fairness is playing by the rules, even when cheating wins faster. Leadership is carrying responsibility, not control. Justice reminds you that power is meant to protect, not dominate. It's the discipline that tames the monster. Number 5 is temperance is control, when impulse demands chaos. Forgiveness is releasing poison without excusing harm. Humility is knowing your worth without announcing it. Prudence is thinking ahead and not just reacting. Self-regulation is mastering urges, not being mastered by them. This is how you win, without destroying yourself. It's rising above the battlefield. Number 6 is Transcendence. It is the strength that lifts you beyond pain. Appreciation of beauty is finding meaning in small moments. Gratitude is grounding yourself in what remains. Hope is seeing light before it arrives. Humor is laughing, even when life tightens its grip. Spirituality is knowing that this fight has purpose. This is how humans become unbreakable. You don't need to become someone else. You need to remember who you already are. Every strength you need is already inside you. Face the darkness, claim your strengths, and rise. The world doesn't change first, you do.